If you're looking for a value for money car, you can't beat this one. Dacia Duster Ambiance 1.5 DCI 110 brake horsepower. Very spacious car, great workhorse. This is just one local lady owner from new with just amazing mileage of 11,000 miles. That's what it's done. 11,300 miles. Let's take you all around it. They really are amazing value for money. 2015 on a 65 plate. Slate grey metallic, and of course this one is a four-wheel drive. Good size boot, split folding rear seats, brand new spare wheel, all the toolkit in there complete. Rear parking sensors, good tyres all the way around. We've just fitted a brand new set of alloy wheels. Normally this car comes with just wheel trims, so brand new set of wheels all the way around. Bodywork is very nice all the way around, no major dents, scratches or scuffs, just the odd mark around the vehicle, but nothing major at all. Again, the front tyre, as you can see, plenty of tread on those. Front fog lights. Again, just a close up of the offside front tyre. And the final wheel again. You got the black roof rails with Duster across there. Lots of space in the back. Black and grey cloth upholstery in clean condition. Split folding rear seats. Again, driver's door trim. Electric windows, interior adjustable door mirrors, driver's seat in good condition. So there's the mileage, 11,336. That's what it's done, 11,336. 2015 car. Stereo CD.
They are often incredible singers because you have to learn orally, you can't write it down. You have to learn how to improvise, you have to learn these roles.
Ventilation controls,
so I really
of course the
guitar as
2-wheel
an
4-wheel
extension of
drive.
my voice, and I do both together.
6-speed manual gearbox. There really isn't much more to tell you about this car. Just a great work horsepower, lots of space, 4-wheel drive, 11,000 miles, one local lady owner. So there we have it, 2 sets of keys, book pack. We've just put the car through our workshops, replaced the front suspension, prop shaft, new brakes on it, and as I mentioned, brand new wheels on it. We're ready to drive away today. 110 brake horsepower, so quite a live little engine. Combined miles per gallon 53.3. Any further information, give us a call on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve, collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for further details. read about our raving fans reviews, and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. If you need a personalised video of any aspect we may have missed on this video, please give us a call. Happy to send you a personalised video to show you more in-depth details of any part of the car. Phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.